Is your printer not working after you updated your computer to Windows 11? For instant help from our experts, call us at the given numbers. Also, in this video, I will tell you top 3 methods that help you fix the problem in most cases. Follow these methods and get your printer working perfectly again. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Run the system troubleshooter. First things first, click on the Start button and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left side and click on Systems. Alright, now scroll down a bit and select Troubleshoot. When the next page opens, go ahead and click on Other Troubleshooters. Now, find the printer option and click on Run right next to it. After that, Windows will start looking for printer issues. Just follow the on-screen instructions and let it finish the troubleshooting process. If the solution does not fix your problem, then let's update your printer driver using the second method. Also write your printer name in the comments. Method 2. Update your printer driver. For the first step, you need to open the Services window on your computer. In the Open Services page, look for Printers option and click on the arrow icon next to it. Now, from the list of options, right-click on your printer name and choose the Update Driver option. After that, click on Search Automatically for Drivers option. Next, the printer will download the new driver if it's available. If you can easily follow these steps, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're facing other issues, tell us in the comments. Method 3. Restart the Print Spooler service. First of all, head down to your taskbar, type Services in the search box and click on the app when it shows up. Once the Services window opens, scroll down slowly until you find Print Spooler. Alright, now right-click on the Print Spooler and click on Stop. After that, right-click on the Print Spooler one more time. This time, from the menu, go ahead and click on the Properties. On the new window, make sure Startup Type is set up to Automatic. If it's not, just click the drop-down and select Automatic. Once that's done, you can minimize the Services window for now. Next, press the Windows plus E key together to open File Explorer. File Explorer, click on the computer. Now, open the Windows C drive. Inside that, look for Windows folder and open it. After that, scroll down and open System32 folder. Now, find the spool folder and open it, then click the Printers folder. If you see a confirmation pop up, just click Continue and then delete all the file inside that folder. Finally, go back to the Services window, right-click on the Print Spooler and hit Restart. And that's it, you're all set. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.